Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fish for catfish for beginners, so let's get into it. These are the items you should get to start with. They are pretty great, so I would suggest going with these. Next, for bait, you're going to want to get some chicken breast, the cheapest you can find, and some Kool-Aid packets. The total cost will be about $41. Then you're going to want to cut up your chicken breast into 2-inch chunks. Next, you're going to add the chicken breast and the Kool-Aid packets into a container. Then you're going to mix it up and let it marinate for a few hours. Next, this is the line setup you're going to want to use. To tie all your knots, I would suggest using the polymer knot. I have a video on my channel how to do that, so go check it out. Alternatively, you can use a night crawler, so let me show you how to do that. First, you're going to want to stab it through the top and feed the worm on the hook. Once you have the worm fed on, you're going to then stab the point of the hook out of the worm. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can keep posting more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one.